When you search for AKS metal detectors, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Garrett Pro Pointer 2. First up, we have the Garrett Pro Pointer 2. Priced at $99.99, this pinpointer caught my attention because of its impressive features and solid reputation. If you want pinpoint accuracy in your treasure hunting, this is worth a serious look. The Pro Pointer 2 offers a 360 degrees detection field, which means you can quickly locate targets without wasting time digging in the wrong spots. It's also water resistant, meeting IP66 standards, so you can use it confidently in the rain or even submerge the tip. Plus, its fast retune feature is a lifesaver if you're hunting in mineralized ground or wet sand. It has a built-in LED flashlight for those low-light conditions, and it comes ready to use with a holster and battery included. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With this device, you can literally feel like you're at the edge of discovery, knowing you'll find what you're looking for. Now, some people complained about the battery life, which averages around 60 minutes. Here's the thing though, if you're a serious treasure hunter, you'll likely carry spare batteries anyway. So, while it's a point of concern, it's not a deal breaker if you plan ahead. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated treasure hunter who needs precision and reliability. Skip this one if you only go hunting occasionally, since you might not need such specialized features. At $99.99, it's a solid investment for the serious enthusiast. Now, if that battery life got you thinking, the next product on our list might just surprise you with its extended runtime. Product number 2, GBNRYG Professional Metal Detector. Next up is the GBNRYG Professional Metal Detector priced at $109.99. This caught my eye with its advanced features and impressive reviews. If you're looking for a reliable option for both beach and gold hunting, this is a fantastic choice. Equipped with a 12-inch IP68 waterproof search coil, you can take this detector into shallow waters or wet sand without a hitch. It offers 5 detection modes, from all metal to jewelry mode, which means it can cater to virtually any treasure hunting situation. One feature that really impressed me is its accuracy. It can locate a quarter-size metal object up to 12 inches deep, thanks to its upgraded DSP chip. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're searching for coins at the beach or lost jewelry in your backyard, this detector delivers reliable results. However, some users found the setup to be a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward, but I can see how it might frustrate complete beginners. This is perfect for you if you're planning to hunt in varied environments and need something versatile. Skip this one if you want something super simple without all the bells and whistles. At $109.99, it gives you great value for serious treasure seekers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a foldable design. Product number 3, Sakub's Metal Detector. Coming in at $168.99, we have the Sakub's Metal Detector. What really caught my attention here is its lightweight, foldable design, making it perfect for on-the-go treasure hunting. If you need something portable yet powerful, this is worth a closer look. This detector features an 11-inch IP68 waterproof coil, making it suitable for beach or riverbank hunting. It also boasts a detection depth of up to 12.8 inches, which is great for finding buried coins and jewelry. Plus, with 9 target types and 4 search modes, it offers flexibility for various hunting scenarios. The backlit LCD display is another great feature, ensuring you can see everything clearly, even in dim conditions. Here's why this matters for you. When you're out hunting, the last thing you want is to miss a find because of unclear visibility. Now, some users have reported that it can feel a bit fragile, especially if you're not careful while transporting it. But let's be real, this detector is designed for portability, so just handle it with care, and it'll serve you well. This is perfect for you if you love to explore different locations and want something easy to carry. Skip this one if you prefer a heavier, more robust feel. For $168.99, you're getting a quality detector that doesn't weigh you down. Now, if you need something even more budget-friendly, Our next pick might catch your eye. Product number 4, Garrett ACE 300 Bundle. Next up is the Garrett ACE 300 Metal Detector Bundle, priced at $295.98. This is a bit of an investment, but it's packed with features that serious hunters will appreciate. If you want the full package for a comprehensive hunting experience, this is worth considering. The ACE 300 offers a digital target ID system with a numeric scale from 0 to 99, helping you identify metal types accurately. Its iron resolution feature improves target separation in trashy areas, which is invaluable when you're sifting through debris. It's also designed for comfort with an adjustable length up to 82 inches, so it can accommodate users of different heights. Plus, it comes with essential accessories like a carry bag and search coil cover, making it a complete kit. Here's why this matters for you. With these features, you'll find hunting not just easier, but more enjoyable, as you won't waste time digging up junk. However, the price might be a turnoff for some. Here's the thing though. If you're committed to metal detecting, this bundle saves you the hassle of buying accessories separately, making it a good investment in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're ready to take your treasure hunting to the next level with a comprehensive kit. Skip this one if you're just starting out or if you're on a tight budget. At $295.98, it's a serious investment, but for dedicated hunters, it has great value. Now, if you're looking for something that's beginner-friendly and budget-conscious, the last product on our list might be perfect for you. Product number 5, Lawler Metal Detector. Finally, we have the Lawler Metal Detector for $69.99. This caught my attention because it's super budget-friendly and beginner-friendly. If you're just starting out in treasure hunting, this could be a perfect fit. Weighing only 2.95 pounds, it's incredibly easy to handle and transport, and its adjustable design means you can extend it from 26 to 49 inches. The 10-inch waterproof search coil allows you to hunt in various conditions without worrying about damage. Plus, with over 20 hours of battery life, you'll have plenty of time for long detecting sessions. Here's why this matters for you. No one wants to be cut short in the middle of an exciting hunt because their detector runs out of juice. However, some users have found that it might not be as sensitive as more expensive models. But honestly, for the price, you're getting a decent option to get started. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner just looking to dip your toes into treasure hunting without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're serious about finding deeper treasures or if you want advanced features. At $69.99, it's a fantastic value for those new to the hobby. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of AKS metal detectors, from the highly precise Garrett Pro Pointer 2 to the budget-friendly Lawler. Each option has its strengths, whether you need portability, advanced features, or just a good starter kit. Choose what fits your needs best, and happy treasure hunting!